Here we're now having a look at the Tozo T6 Earbuds, true wireless stereo earbuds. As you can see, they are just there. Again, nice packaging from Tozo, and it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors. A bit more about some of the features, which we're going to shortly on the back there. So let's take open and have a look at the box. So again, this is part of Tozo's T range as well. We've also reviewed a couple of others of these. So to start with, you get the ear tips as well. So there's 6 different types of ear tips you can get. You get the instruction booklet, which is just here. Very, very simple instructions, which is good. Just shows how easy and simple it is to set up. Got the USB-C charging cable as well, which is important. So put that all to the side. The most important thing is the case and earbuds. So here we are here. So this is basically like a squarish case, as you can see. You open it up, and there are the earbuds just there as well. Now again, like the other Tozo we reviewed, these are IPX8, which means you can actually use them in water. So they're waterproof 1 meters deep for 30 minutes. So suitable for sports where you're actually swimming. Mind you, they don't work underwater. So just to let you know, Bluetooth signal doesn't carry. They're also Bluetooth 5.3 as well. Charging case is slightly heavier than normal, but it's still very, very small. There it is compared to the size of my hand. And you've got the USB-C charging cable at the back there as well. Just take that off to do it. Now it's also got wireless charging too. So 2 hours wireless charging or 55 minutes via the cable. Now the earbuds have 10 hours playtime in a single charge. And there they are just there. So let's move the case away for a minute. Just look at the earbuds. So here they are. So earbud design. Now these you can also change by actually pressing on the top of the earbuds. You can change tracks. The earbud design, as you can see, goes right into the ear there, which is very, very handy. Now these use Tozo 5.3 Bluetooth, which is great. And they're very, very small. Look how tiny they are. Now when you pull these out of the case, they actually connect to music automatically. So you can start using them, which I think is great. And yeah, they've also got, as I said, wireless charging you can use. So let's go back and look at them with the actual case. So 10 hours there and 45 hours with the charging case. Again, it's magnetic charging case as well. So you pop them in there, look, they don't come out. Very nice. But I like how Tozo does a lot of their earbuds with wireless charging. It's very, very important. They also use Origix acoustic technology as well. So we'll test out how that sounds in the full review. But these are very, very good for, yeah, and also for one-step pair. Pick them out, pair them, and they start working straight away. And you've also got 32 preset EQ modes with these, white noise tracks, and user shared EQ settings too. So they really are packed into a bunch here, the Tozo T6 true wireless earbuds.